The following is a demonstration of an angle bisector construction. To access the SOL Tools practice, use this link on School Fusion. It may take a minute to load. Just be patient. The screen that we need for an angle bisector is the next screen, and there is our angle. We are going to bisect the angle using our compass tool. Place the red plus or red X at point A, which is our vertex, and using the hexagon portion of the arrowhead, extend your compass and lock it. By placing the cursor on the end of the arrowhead, you will see a pencil appear. Now, if you click and drag, you will create an arc, which creates two intersection points. Let's use the point tool to show the two intersection points, and we'll label those B and C. Every time we create intersection points, we usually use those intersection points to create more arcs or to create a line. In this case, we are going to create more arcs, so we need our compass tool again. Instead of placing our center at A, we are now going to use B and C. Just make sure that the compass is long enough so that we get an intersection. Make a mark. Keep the same distance. Move using the hexagon tool, then use the tip to make the mark. So we made a mark here using the same length. We made a mark here. That creates a third intersection point. We'll call that D. And this time we will use the intersection point to create a line. Use your line tool or straight edge tool. Either one will do. Click on vertex A and drag to point D. You have now created an angle bisector. Let's use the pencil tool to mark what happens when we bisect an angle. We create two congruent angles. Let's exit from the test. Submit, final submit, close test nav. And now we will take a look at another version of the same construction. For this, we will use the link Construction Animations. This will take us to the Math Open Reference website. And bisecting an angle is exactly what we need. We want full screen. Hit run. There's our angle. This is the same exact construction we just constructed. Slightly different look, but same outcome. We bisect an angle. Let's look at that one more time. Reset, run. We have an angle. We place the compass on the vertex. We extend it. This version only shows where the arcs are intersecting the arms of the angle. We then use those new points to create two new arcs. Then we create our angle bisector. And in this area we see symbols for congruent angles. Let's look at this one more time. Compass starts at the vertex. We create two intersection points. This version does not show a continuous arc, it shows two little arcs. We use those two new points to create two more arcs that intersect at a third intersection point, and we create our angle bisector.